everyone, today in this session I am going to explain you multiplying, dividing and simplification of fractions. So let us move to our session. First one is multiplying fractions. 1 by 2 multiplies 5 by 4 equal to, in this case in multiplication directly you can multiply and add the number. Answer here, 5 ones are 5 and 4 to 4 are 8. Next one, 2 by 7 multiplies 7 upon 9 equal to, here also you can do direct cancellation here if it is possible, means cross cancellation. 7 ones are 7 ones are. Now 2 ones are 2, 9 ones are 9. Okay. Next, third one is 9 by 5 multiplies 3 by 5 equal to, here is there any cancellation opposite? Nothing is there, so you can directly multiply and write here. 3 9s are 27, 5 5s are 25. Here in this both case these are proper fractions, means numerator is small and denominator is big. But here in this case this becomes an improper fraction, means numerator is greater than denominator. So we need to convert it into mixed fraction. So how? By dividing 27 with 25 you can find out. 25 ones are 25, here 7 minus 5 2, so you got answer here 1 2 by 25. Okay, to the next one, dividing fractions. Here it is, for example 1 by 3 divided 13 by 9 equal to, here first fraction will remain same and here this symbol will convert into multiplication symbol, then this side fraction will become reciprocal. Reciprocal means reverse one, means here the denominator will go up and numerator will come down. Now here in opposite section, likewise in cross multiplication system you can cancel here the numbers. So here 3 ones are 3 3s are 9. Now 3 ones are here opposite section, opposite you can directly multiply and put the answer. 3 ones are 3 and here 13 ones are 13. This is the answer. Now we'll move to the next one. 13 by 4 divided 1 by 2 is equal to, here also same, the first fraction will remain same and here symbol will change and here will become reciprocal, means 2 by 1 equal to, here is there any cancellation? Okay, is there. 2 ones are 2 2s are 4. So now 13 ones are 13, 2 ones are 2. Here it becomes an improper fraction, so you need to convert here as mixed fraction. 2 6 are 12, here 3 minus 2 1. Now you will write here first of all 6 and remainder 1 by 2. This is the answer. Now we'll move to the next session, simplification of fractions, 3 or more than fractions at a time. Let us see example 5 by 6 plus 7 by 9 and 1 by 3. Here already we are having different denominators, so we need to take LCM. 6 9 3 3 3 2s are 3 3s are 3 1s are. So here again no need to go, no need to continue here, because 2 can be cancelled by 2 and 3 can be cancelled with 3. So here LCM is 3 into 2 into 3 is equal to 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18. 18 is your LCM. So here we'll continue the process. 5 by 6 into 18 plus 7 by 9 into 18 minus 1 by 3 into 18. Here with the whole by 18. Now here we'll do cancellation. 6 ones are 6 3s are, 9 ones are 9 2s are, 3 ones are 3 6s are. Now remaining one you multiply and add. 5 3s are 15 plus 7 2s are 14 minus 1 6 the 6 by 18 is equal to, now 15 plus 14 how much? 29 minus 6 by 18 is equal to 23 by 18. Here you can convert this into improper mixed fraction. So here 23 is dividing with 18, 18 ones are 18. How much here? 5. So here you will get answer 1 5 by 18 is your answer. We move to the next here. 8 by 12 plus 2 by 5 minus 1 by 10. Here also denominator is not equal, so we need to take LCM here. 12, 5 and 10. Here with 2 table, 2 6 the and 5 2 5 the 10. Next 2 3 the 5 5. Again here with the 3 1 the 5 5. Now here with the 5 5 1 the 5 1 the. So here LCM is 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 equal to 2 2 is 4, 4 3 is 12, 12 5 is 60 is your LCM. Now 8 by 12 into 60 plus 2 by 5 into 60 minus 1 by 10 into 60 whole by 60. Now we will cancel 12 ones are 12 5s are 5 ones are 5 12s are 10 ones are 10 6 are. Now remaining one multiply 8 5s are 40 plus 12 2s are 24 minus 1 6 are 6 by 60. Now this both you will add means how much you will get? 64 minus 6 by 60. So here it is 64 minus 6 is equal to 58 by 60.